So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website, which is www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button, and then type your motherboard model number B60M Eagle Wi-Fi 6 V2 and then hit enter. Click to product, then click on model number of motherboard, then guys click to support. Select your operating system. Okay, Windows 10 and 11. If you have Windows 10, so you can follow this video and install the driver, because installation driver is same. So now audio driver first, you can click to download here. When you click to download, automatically start downloading. You can see here, then you can see guys 165 size 160 audio driver, Realtek audio. Just single open this, and this is extracted driver, so that's why it is not click. You have to just double click it, otherwise to you extract to a specific folder and you can install, otherwise you can install directly. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system for the installation. So now it is installing. Then it is completed. After that, close it. Chipset. So install, this is first one. Click to download. Click to download. After that, you can see it just start downloading here. Wait few seconds. Then guys, single click to open that, and double click to exe. Click to yes. Then close it. LAN driver. So click to download. Always try to download latest driver, and if will come to any issues during installation, so try to previous version. Then just open it, double click to launch. Then yes. So guys, it will close automatically, means this is installed. Okay, VGA, Intel VGA driver. Click to download. You can see it is start downloading. So after downloaded, just open this. Then guys, double click to open. This is extracted and exe driver. then extracting data. Then close and Bluetooth driver. So 8851, this is, and click to download. Then open this and double click to exe. Yes. Now this is installing. Now this is installing by the cmd command. So it is closed means this is installed. WLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So you can see this is Wi-Fi driver. It here to download. See, after download it, you just double click to open that, and then it is closed and done.